Everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel again. So in this informative video, we will guide you on how to obtain your Mint mobile account number and PIN, as well as how to transfer a PIN to another carrier. So we understand these details are crucial when switching mobile service provider, and we aim to simplify the process for you. So follow step by step instruction and to easily retrieve your Mint mobile account number and PIN. So ensuring a smooth transition to your new carrier, stay tuned and learn the necessary step to make the transfer hassle. So let's start. Here the first thing we have to get a Mint mobile account number. So in first method we have to using a text message. Simply they are the method you have to dial your $6 directly from your Mint mobile to retrieve your account number with easily. So here the second method we have to use in a website. So we have to go into this link, and this link we have to here click on this help and then going to help center, and then you have to click on this activation, and then scroll down, there are the option called chat with us. So here they will reach you and you have to the chat, you have to type account number and select the prompt to port out. So you will be connected to a customer service representative who can provide you account number and PIN with easily without hesitation. So now here the third method we have to using a customer support. Alternatively, for the assistant, if you are prefer to contact Mint Mobile customer service directly, you can reach them at this number 1800 683 7392. This way, you can properly assess the information you need to regarding your account number with Mint Mobile. So now we have to discuss all how to get Mint Mobile account PIN. So similarly to account your PIN number, you need to connect with the Mint Mobile support. You can dial 611 from your cell phone or call 213-372-7777 to request your PIN number directly from Mint Mobile. And now here is how to transfer your PIN to. So simply for your PIN, you will need to request a number transfer PIN from Mint, and to receive one, dial a hashtag port from the phone number you want to transfer. So these are some simple steps you have to take it when you try to obtain your mobile account number and PIN, as well as transfer your PIN. So thank you for watching our video. I hope this video is very helpful for this issue, and we will catch you in our next video.